Hello sir, this is Aruj and I'm here for the solution of YouTube playlists. So this is the channel which have playlists. I created just for sample these two playlists and I want to move to other account. I will go to other account as well, and this is the other account with the name of Aruj Shafai, and there's you can see there's no playlist option and there's no playlist available at the moment. So I want to move these playlists to my other account here. So we will use a third party tool, that is Free Your Music app. We will open our app. So this is the app we are using, and as we are using a YouTube channel, so we just select the YouTube. There's a lot of other options available, but we are using as well YouTube, so we just select the YouTube. So it will ask you for the permission and password to log in your account. So first you have to give the account which have the playlist. So this is the account which is having the playlist, and from this account I want to move to other account. So I will select it first, allow it, and now it has connection with our YouTube channel. Now it is asking for select destination. So we will select our destination, as we destination is YouTube channel as well. So we just select again YouTube. This is the destination where we want to move our playlist. So this is the channel which don't have playlist yet. We want to move our playlist here. So we will select this one, allow it, and now the other playlists are available here, and we will select which one playlist we want to move to other channel. So it's up to you. If you want select all, you can select all here, and if you want just one or two, you can select. It's up to you. It gives you option. As we want all, and we will select all and then begin transfer. Yes, these are all done. We will go back to our channel as well, where we see our videos. As you can see, there's no playlist option here available. If we refresh our page, yeah, you can see the playlist option available now. Before it was not there. As I refresh the page, it is available. I will click on the playlist button, and it will give you all the playlists you already added from the application. So this is the first one, WooCommerce, and the other one is Migrate videos. So it means our both playlists are added now. So that's it. Thank you.